What's up, everybody? It's KZ Squid back. Got a little clip for you today. I'm gonna be going over my Grom, just point out some of the pieces and the parts that I put on it so far. Still in the process of building it, but now I'm kind of at the point where it's all like motor upgrades and just basically expensive stuff. So, alright, right off the grip, we're gonna do exhaust. This is an Amazon exhaust. It was like 60 bucks. It's for an SF Grom actually, but it fits the 2022 pretty good. So I picked that up, put it on instantly right when I got home. And then we'll move over to the axle sliders. I got these Z&Z custom axle sliders for all four. And then I got the matching stand-up Industries sub cage. I got these rear set savers is what they're called. They're just a Delrin slider basically, but these protect so I don't snap off like my levers and my actual rear set peg. And then I got these right when the first 2022 Groms came out. Somebody was 3D printing these and I was like the first one to watch this video, so he sent me a free set of them. And then from there I just did like a white vinyl with matching gray stripes and stuff, and I wrapped the front forks in white vinyl. I have the TST flush mount turn signals up front, LED, and I got the TST high mount adjustable plate and license plate light. I had to put these brake lights. These are brake lights and turn signals because you can't really see my brake light from the back of my bike because my sub cage covers it up. So I just didn't want any issues with cops and stuff like that. And then I'm one tooth down in the front gearing wise, so I got a 14 tooth and a stock sprocket in the back. I was thinking about going back to the 15 up front and going to a 40 in the back and see what that's like. I have the speedo healer. I got it all wired and tucked under the seat. That thing doesn't work the greatest. I have to reset it. I think it might be a user issue though. I always mess with it and then it gets reset. And then if we come up here, I got the Pro Taper DRZ 110 bars with the Fusion Pro Taper pad that I custom cut so that it would fit. Some bicycle mirrors from eBay or Amazon. Pillow top grips. I got the Shorty 2-finger brake lever from One Finger is the company. Nothing changed with the throttle yet. I want to get a quick turn. I've epoxied these little plates in here, these plastic things, so that they would stay in. I know a lot of people break them with their knees, so I did that. And then on the inside here, we got upgraded clutch plate from Chimera with the actual 6-bolt like basket housing. I don't even know what you call it. So I got that and upgraded springs. And I got the Kitaco side cover. Should be reusable, I think. And then I got steel braided brake lines from Hell on front and rear, going down to stock OEM calipers. I do want to do the Brembo upgrade. You have to get a new bracket for the front, and then I think it might bolt up on the back. I'm not sure, but I need to get a new one anyway because I'm eventually going to do a handbrake up top and I'm going to do a dual caliper setup. But next I think is ZZ Customs rear sets, and then pretty much my crash protection is over and done with, and then it's just engine mods from there. I do want to do an intake and tune, and I have the exhaust, so I think that'll give me a decent upgrade in power at least. that is pretty much all I can think of, guys. Other than like the kickstand sensor delete, and I actually made this shifter linkage. I don't know if you can even see it, guys, but there's like hardly any play anymore. There's like an 1/8 inch of play comparatively to the stock one. It's way less play and it feels way more solid. I actually tried to do a throttle position sensor reset. I don't know why. I was just messing around with the bike and thought it would be a good idea, and I did it based off of a SF video, and that's not how you do it on the new Grom. So when I did that, I actually ended up ruining the wiring harness, and I couldn't for the life figure it out. It would just always think it was warm, so it wouldn't cold start. It would just keep cranking and cranking and cranking and cranking and cranking, not giving it the right amount of fuel to have it start up right on the cold start. So I took it into my dealership and I had them replace the harness, and I had it done for free because I just recently got the bike. Obviously it's a new one, so Honda covered it. So that was sick. I had her back up and running in like 3 months, I guess it took. Not too long, but at least it was like colder out then, so it wasn't too bad just waiting around to get it back. Alright, well, I'll see what I can do with these clips, and if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for more. I upload every Saturday, and I do short videos every once in a while here and there, so have a good one, guys. Peace.